Are you finding it hard to become a good wood turner? Well, in today's video, we have a really easy guide on how to become a wood turner. For one, start with the basics. Familiarise yourself with the essential wood turning tools, such as gouges, skew chisels, ironing tools. Understand their uses and how to maintain them. About the different types of wood suitable for turning, as well as their grain patterns, hardness, and characteristics. Number 2. Safety first. Always prioritise safety. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment like safety glasses, dust masks, and hearing protection. Working condition and follow safety guidelines while operating it. 3. Take a class or seek mentorship. Consider taking a woodturning class or finding a mentor. Learning from experienced turners can accelerate your progress in wood turning and help you avoid common mistakes in wood turning. Number 4. Practice regularly. Like any other skill, turning requires practice. Spend time at the lathe working on various projects to build your skill and confidence in wood turning. Number 5. Learn the basic cuts. Master fundamental wood turning cuts, including spindle turning and bowl turning techniques. Pay attention to proper body mechanics and tool control. Stance and hand positioning are critical for achieving clean and safe cuts. Number 6. Sharpen your tools. Keep your tools sharp. Dull tools can be frustrating and may lead to accidents. Learn how to properly sharpen and maintain your tools. Number 7. Learn finishing techniques. Finishing is an essential part of wood turning. Explore different sanding and finishing methods to achieve a smooth, polished surface on your turning piece. Number 8. Seek feedback. Share your work with experienced turners and seek constructive feedback. They can offer valuable insights to help you improve. Number 9. Record your progress. Now this is a very important part in wood turning. So if you don't do this, then you might do something that you've already done before, like a mistake that you already done. To record it, just keep a journal, take a photo, your projects to track your progress. This will help you see improvements and identify areas that you need to pay more attention. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment in this comment section down below. What videos you want to see from us? Just give us recommendations on what bowls we can turn, what vases maybe, even just anything, any recommendations. Share with a friend, and if you want to, go check out this video right there, or it might be there. I don't know. It might be 2 videos. Just go check them out.